This is Anton from Drive Stick Shift. Today we're doing a review of a recent dash cam I got. I've been using it for a little while. It's a REDtiger 4K front and back dash cam. We have it over here. It works a little suction cup. Doesn't take up a lot of real estate, which I like. It's a little more compact because I have certain dash cams that are a little bit bulkier and it does start to get distracting. This thing, I also have it wired through. It's easy to hide the wires. When I got the actual kit for it, had a little pry tool in there, so it was very easy to just pry off the panels. When I was installing it to run the wire for the rear dash cam, I have it all hanging off my trunk. I have also the electrical wired through, so you don't see a single wire anywhere. They gave a long enough cable for both to have the electrical and the rear dash cam all hidden away very neatly. It works well. The quality on it is quite good. They say 4K, and I gotta say I agree with it. Also, I found that if I want to be listing through using its functions, it has minimal buttons. It's very easy to use. You can see here we power it on. I can be going to the actual onboard footage, listing through different scenes. So overall, I do recommend it. For what it came in at, definitely been worth it. It also has a GPS function on it. I haven't activated that, but I could also be connecting it with my phone. Some of the other things I like, it has also night capability on it, so the night vision on it is great. It also came with a 32 gigabyte memory card, so once I put it in, you just hit the ground running, keep recording. It does loop recording, so it just loops over. It has also 24-hour protection with a G sensor. I haven't had to utilize that, but in theory, if my car gets hit, it should come on and start to record who hit it, if it's in the front or the rear. So good dash cam so far. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I recommend it. You should always have a dash cam because you just never know what's going to happen in the roads. I'm a New Yorker. Roads are unpredictable to say the least. A lot of crazy stuff. And I do get some hidden gems every now and then from just what my dash cam catches out there. Hope you found this helpful. See you on the road.